You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more interesting words and names from Nahuatl, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. This is the Nahuatl word for hummingbird. Huitzilin. Huitzilin. Huitzilin is how you say it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. It helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, including of Nahuatl words. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.